How to fix Instagram message not sending. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if your Instagram messages are not sending. So the very first thing you want to do is go to Instagram, make sure that you're logged into your account, tap on the messages option at the bottom on the screen. If you have an older version of Instagram, you can find it on the top right corner and go to any one of the chats. Just go ahead and message your chat, send, and if it's sent, you'll be notified that it's been sent. If you are unable to do that, first thing you need to do is check your internet connection. So all you have to do here is toggle off your Wi-Fi, turn back on your mobile data. Or if you are on mobile data, just do the opposite and see if that works. If not, you can try to turn on airplane mode, because sometimes there might be some network glitches, and resetting it once with the airplane mode works most of the times, so you can try this. If it doesn't work, then it might be something to do with your temporary files or cache. Long press on Instagram, tap on the I button, go to storage down below, tap on clear cache, go back, go to permissions, make sure all of these permissions are allowed. And finally, you can try to force stop the app. If you tap on force stop and then OK, if there's something going on in the background, it's going to completely stop the activity and should reset your app. So reopen it and try to send the message again. If nothing works, uninstall Instagram once and reinstall it back again, and that should do the fix. If this was helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.